Let us start with our warm-ups. I want you to go to this file 01hello.py and let's see what we are supposed to do over here. So let me collapse my sidebar. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to prompt user to enter name and I want you to print a greeting message. So this is a sample input. A user can enter a name, and when the user enters a name, we want this kind of an output, hello followed by the name. So let's start with this one. So I can create a variable called as name and I can take the user input. If you want, you can display a prompt message, or if you don't want, it's all up to you. For the sake of this one, let me print a prompt message. So I can say, please enter your name. And after we have the input for name, I simply want to print out a greeting message starting with hello followed by the name. So let me just save it and let's try to run this file. So it's giving me a prompt, please enter your name. So I say my name is Octallium, and here we have the output of hello Octallium.